What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and if you're returning, welcome back. I have a big announcement to make for you guys. I'm just going to get right to it. It's giveaway time. So Gearbest is having a clearance sale on all their Furibee quads, and so I'll have links in the description for all the different quads that you can get and the corresponding codes to them to get them for a cheaper price. Gearbest also has an upcoming promotion, but that promotion hasn't started yet. I think it starts around the 24th or 26th, somewhere around there. So this contest will be running all the way to the end of that. And what we're giving away, the Furibee Fire Dancer 215. Now this one, it started a little controversy. I think UAV Futures, there's Hellman, Grumpy Trev, I think theirs actually caught on fire, but a lot of the reviews that I've seen, this thing was just flying awesome. It didn't catch fire or anything like that. Andy RC did have a few problems with his, but mine's has been flying really nice. No problem at all with mine's. Mine's flies really awesome. But I think maybe they updated these because I was watching Andy RC's review of his, and he had a bunch of problems with his. Given that mine's is a DSMX version, he had FR Sky, I believe. He said his was switching channels and all, so he had to remove this pin here because it was hooked up to the S bus or whatever. But I don't think that would be the problem with the DSMX version. Also, he was saying that he had to remove this piece here, and now mine's screwing pretty tight and this doesn't move with this piece still on it. So I'm guessing they did make some type of improvements to it or whatever, or maybe they addressed all the issues that he was talking about. And so mine's is just an awesome flyer, and you can win one of these. All you have to do is leave one comment in this video. More than one comment will disqualify you. You also have to have your account accessible. I have to be able to go and look at your account to make sure that you're a subscriber to this Frequent Flyer RC channel, as well as my Chop Shop channel. I'll have links in the description so you guys can go to my Chop Shop channel and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed to that channel. And I hope you guys are all the best. I wish all of you guys could win, but we only could have one. And so make sure you follow all the rules. Also, click the links in the description to check out the sales. And thanks for watching.